In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import images into Figma. By the end, you'll confidently bring images into your designs and fine-tune them so they look just right. First, open your browser and go to figma.com. Sign into your account so you land on your home dashboard. This is where you'll see your teams, projects, and recent files. Make sure you're using a stable internet connection so the editor loads smoothly. Next, look for all projects in the left sidebar and click it. This view helps you stay organized by grouping files under specific projects. Choose the project where you want to add your image, click the project to open it, then open the design file you'll be working in. If you already have a frame or artboard prepared, that's perfect. If not, you can place the image on the canvas and organize it afterward. Once you're inside the editor, go to the shape tools in the top toolbar. You'll see a small arrow that opens a drop-down menu. Scroll to the bottom of that menu and choose Image. This is Figma's built-in Place Image command, and it works with common formats like PNG, JPG, and SVG. As a quick tip, using clear, high-resolution images will help your design scale better. Your computer's file picker will appear. Navigate to the image you want, select it, and click Open. You can select a single image or hold your modifier key to pick multiple files at once. If your files are large, give Figma a second to load the preview. Now your cursor will change to show the image. Move to the spot on your canvas or frame where you want it to go. Click once to place the image at its original size, or click and drag to draw the exact size you need. If you're placing multiple images, you can click to drop them one after another. With the image on the canvas, adjust it to fit your layout, use the corner handles to resize, and hold Shift to keep the proportions consistent. Drag to reposition, or use the arrow keys for precise nudging. If you need to crop, choose the crop option in the toolbar and drag the crop box to trim edges. You can also rotate using the corner rotation handle and fine-tune alignment with the Align panel so everything lines up neatly. Keep an eye on pixel snapping and the Layers panel to ensure the image sits above or below the right elements. That's it. Importing images into Figma is quick, controlled, and flexible. Save your work and you're ready to keep designing.